Naruto Uzumaki is a young ninja from the village of Konohagakure. He was born with the Rinnegan seal on his forehead, which is a symbol of the nine-tailed fox monster, Kurama. Because of this, Naruto is often shunned and hated by the villagers. However, Naruto never gives up on his dream of becoming Hokage, the leader and strongest ninja in the village. He is determined to prove to everyone that he can be a great ninja, regardless of his origins. Naruto begins to train hard to become a strong ninja. He also befriends Sasuke Uchiha and Sakura Haruno, two young ninjas who have the same dream. The three of them then join Team 7, led by Kakashi Hatake. Naruto and his team go on various missions, and they begin to learn to work together and support each other. Naruto also begins to learn about his past, and he begins to understand why he is shunned by the villagers. Naruto continues to train and become stronger. He also begins to make new friends, including ninjas from other villages. Naruto eventually proves to everyone that he can be a great ninja, and he becomes the 7th Hokage of Konohagakure.